Today we are going to learn areas of similar triangles. Theorem: the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Here two triangles are given which are similar to each other. We have to prove that the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So ABC is a triangle, PQR is a triangle. You can draw side by side. And here let us write what is given here. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are the two triangles such that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. To prove, area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. That is AB by PQ the whole square equal to BC by QR the whole square is equal to AC by PR the whole square. This is what we have to prove. Now for this let us construct. The construction is draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. So let us find the area of these two triangles. So proof: area of ABC is equal to half into base is BC, height is AM. Same way area of PQR, half into QR is the base and PN is the altitude. So now area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to area half into BC into AM by half into QR into PN. Half and half gets cancelled. We get BC into QM, BC into AM by QR into PN. Take this as first equation. Then consider the triangle ABM and triangle PQN. Now when we consider these two triangles, we know ABC is similar to PQR. So these two triangles are similar. So you know angle B is equal to angle Q. The corresponding angles will be equal. And these two altitudes are the AM and PN are the altitudes. So both are 90 degree. So angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ, which is equal to 90 degree. So by two angles are equal, so these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. So when they are similar, ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar triangles also will be equal. So AB by PQ is equal to BM by QN is equal to AM by PN. Take this as second equation. But we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This implies AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Take this as third equation. Now from 1 and 3, we know that triangle area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to, it is given BC by QR. So BC by QR can be written as AB by PQ because both are equal. BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ. So instead of BC by QR, we can write AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN. Now from 2 we know AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ. So AB by PQ into AB by PQ, that is AB by PQ the whole square. Now using this 3, we know AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. So with that we get area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to AB by PQ the whole square equal to BC by QR the whole square equal to AC by PR the whole square. So we have proved this theorem. Thank you.